This is the Boya M1 lavalier microphone. It is apparently one of the best microphones you can get in the budget price range. So today we're going to be unboxing it. So let's begin. So if you look around the box, on the front, you just got like a picture, the name of the microphone, just a picture over here, and it also shows you the compatible devices. You got smartphones, tablets, cameras, and what looks to be I don't know what that is. Yeah, a camcorder. Okay. On the side, there's not much to talk about here. Same with the left-hand side, nothing. Then on the back, and one interesting thing to note is the fact that you need a LR44 battery in order to use this microphone. So we'll see how that works. So anyways, we're not here to look at the box, we're here to look at the microphone. So to begin opening this, we go for this top tab right over here and just try and pull it out. So now, as you get this mess away, so here's the microphone. Then we've got a bag, instruction booklets, then I think a warranty card. Let's get an overview of everything around here. So here's the box, irrelevant. We've got an instruction booklet over here, which we might need when we start to set up the microphone. Then we've got the whatever this is, yes, the warranty card. Then we've got a nice bag here, which you can use to carry this microphone. Then over here we've got the, I don't know what they call this port, but the one, so it's got a few cables and stuff here. We'll come back to that. Then here's the microphone. So we've got a nice long cable here. I think they said that 2 meters or 6 meters, I can't remember. But this is very long, so you'll have no problem connecting this to like something far away. So you then got the barrel over here. This is where the battery goes in for the microphone. You've got 2 switches as well. As you can see, there's camera and then there's smartphone. We'll see how these two differ later on. So let's read the instructions. So as it turns out, there's not many instructions for this thing. So let's just open this packet. Let's see. Just gonna break this open and see. So like I said before, the conversion, if you wanna say plug into one of those speakers with the microphone port, that would be a good use. So you got the battery over here, which I might not need since I'm going to be filming mostly with my iPad or my phone. Then we got the, I don't know what they call this, but it kind of stops, I guess, yes, a windsock, I think. Basically stops the microphone from picking up the wind from you talking. Since, like, if you ever had a microphone with lots of blowing, you kind of know how annoying it is. So let's get the battery in. Then we just twist it. And drop it in. Okay. Let's drop it in and screw it up. Then we'll give it a test.
Hey guys, this is future me, so of course it's a year from when I actually recorded the video initially, so my voice has changed a bit. It's not the microphone, it's just my vocal cords that have actually changed. So this is kind of what it sounds like straight from the microphone. You can hear that the noise is quite loud, and I found that also the, what is it called, the gain or whatever. If you look at the audio thing, I find that this microphone is significantly quieter compared to, say, the microphone inside of a MacBook Air. But of course my MacBook Air is a lot more expensive, so of course it's not a fair comparison. So this is what it sounds like unprocessed, and then this is what it sounds like when I've taken the audio, put it into Audacity and tried to reduce the noise. And then alongside reducing the noise, I've also added a compressor to kind of get the audio levels to be a lot more even, so that there isn't just like one section where I'm super quiet and then another section where I'm super loud. It's not like a lot more consistent volume level. So this is what you get. And then if you're also interested, I've also put a link to one of my other YouTube videos on my gaming channel where I actually use this microphone. So of course that was back when So you can kind of get an idea of how this microphone will add into the whole overall video when you have like a proper YouTube video up there. So you can just check that out. So thank you for watching.